Eating disorders can be a challenging and isolating struggle. This guided breathing and relaxation exercise is designed to support you in managing the symptoms of your eating disorder and creating a deeper connection to your body and inner wisdom. By practicing mindfulness and self-compassion, you can learn to identify and manage the triggers and behaviors that contribute to your disordered eating patterns. Now, begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Take your time, but try to find a best spot possible. You have on minutes starting now. Perfect. We are ready now. With your back straight and your feet planted firmly on the ground. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Let go of any tension or anxiety that you may be holding onto and allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Now, bring your attention to your stomach. Imagine that your stomach is a balloon, and with each inhale, you are inflating the balloon, filling it with fresh air and energy. As you exhale, imagine the balloon deflating, releasing any negative thoughts or emotions that may be weighing you down. Allow your breath to be slow and steady, focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. As you continue to breathe deeply, begin to repeat a positive affirmation to yourself silently in your mind. Repeat to yourself, "I am worthy and deserving of love and nourishment. I honor and respect my body and its needs." Allow these words to sink deeply into your subconscious mind, acknowledging that you are a valuable and important individual, worthy of care and compassion. Now, bring your attention to any sensations or emotions that may be arising in your body. Notice any areas of tension, discomfort, or pain. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine sending a wave of healing energy and relaxation to that area of your body. Visualize the tension melting away, leaving you feeling calm and at ease. As you continue to breathe deeply and focus on your body, imagine yourself surrounded by a warm and loving light. This light represents your connection to your higher self, your inner wisdom, and the divine. Allow this light to fill you with love, compassion, and strength. Remember, recovery from an eating disorder is a journey, and it's important to be patient and gentle with yourself along the way. Use this practice as a tool to support you in managing your symptoms and nurturing your mind and body. And if your symptoms persist, please seek the guidance of a qualified medical professional or therapist. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and renewed.